Take a ride in the 2017 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, air conditioning, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, AM/FM stereo radio. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does. Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, a comprehensive 150-point inspection, 10 years of roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai certified program.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.